Printers for Mac users, compatibility review. Title: Printers for Mac users, compatibility review. Introduction. In today's digital age, printers still hold significant relevance in our daily lives. Mac users, in particular, require printers that are compatible with their devices to seamlessly print documents, photos, and other important files. This article aims to provide an in-depth overview of printers for Mac users, focusing on compatibility and key features to help users make informed decisions when it comes to purchasing a printer. 1. Understanding Mac compatibility. Mac users face specific challenges when it comes to establishing compatibility with printers due to Apple's proprietary software and hardware. However, many printer manufacturers have evolved to offer extensive compatibility options for Mac users. It is crucial to identify printers that are explicitly designed to work with Mac systems to ensure a hassle-free printing experience, eliminating any potential connectivity issues. 2. Key features to consider. A. Wireless connectivity. Mac users often prefer wireless printers to enjoy the convenience of printing from anywhere within their Wi-Fi network. Wireless printers eliminate the need for cumbersome cables and enable seamless printing from Mac devices, including laptops, smartphones, and tablets. Look for printers that offer AirPrint compatibility whenever possible to simplify the printing process. C. Duplex printing. Duplex printing, also known as double-sided printing, is an essential feature to consider when purchasing a printer for Mac users. This feature saves both paper and money by automatically printing on both sides of the paper, providing an eco-friendly and cost-effective printing solution. B. Print quality. The print quality of a printer is crucial, particularly for Mac users who often require accurate and vibrant prints for professional purposes or personal projects. Look for printers with high-resolution capabilities and color accuracy to ensure stunning and precise prints. This will ensure versatility in printing options for Mac users. Its sleek design and easy setup process make it a favorite among Mac users. B. Canon Pixma Pro 100. For Mac users who require professional quality prints, this printer stands out with its exceptional color accuracy and fine detail reproduction. With wireless connectivity and AirPrint support, the Pixma Pro 100 is a reliable choice for photographers and designers. C. Epson Expression Photo XP 8600. This compact printer offers versatility for Mac users with its support for various paper sizes and cardstock printing. It delivers outstanding print quality, wireless connectivity, and compatibility with AirPrint, making it an attractive option for creative individuals. D. Brother HLL2370DW. Mac users looking for a reliable monochrome laser printer that offers speed and duplex printing capabilities should consider the HLL2370DW. It provides seamless wireless connectivity and ensures crisp prints, making it suitable for home or small office use. E. Epson EcoTank ET 4760. This printer stands out for its cost-effective printing solution, thanks to its innovative EcoTank technology that replaces traditional ink cartridges with refillable tanks. Mac users can enjoy wireless printing, AirPrint functionality, and the convenience of printing a large number of pages without the hassle of frequently changing ink cartridges. 4. Additional considerations. A. Printer software. Along with hardware compatibility, Mac users should also consider the availability and quality of printer software. Look for printers that offer robust and user-friendly software that is optimized for Mac systems. This will enhance the overall printing experience and ensure seamless integration with Mac devices. B. Cost of consumables. When purchasing a printer for Mac users, it is essential to consider the cost of consumables such as ink cartridges or toner. Mac users should look for printers that offer cost-effective options, such as high-capacity cartridges or refillable ink tanks, to minimize ongoing expenses. C. Brand reputation and support. Consider the reputation and reliability of the printer brand, as well as the availability of customer support and warranty services. Opting for reputable brands with a strong track record in Mac compatibility will provide peace of mind and ensure prompt assistance if any issues arise. D. User reviews and recommendations. Before making a final decision, it is recommended to read user reviews and seek recommendations from fellow Mac users. Online forums, tech review websites, and social media platforms can provide valuable insights into the real-world experiences of Mac users with different printer models. Check for updates on the manufacturer's website or through the Mac App Store to ensure optimal performance and compatibility. 6. Ensuring support for future Mac updates. It's important for Mac users to ensure that the printer they choose will continue to be compatible with future updates to the Mac operating system. As Apple releases new software updates, it may impact the compatibility of certain printers. 7. Consider environmental impact. In addition to compatibility and features, Mac users may also want to consider the environmental impact of the printer they choose. Look for printers that have energy-saving features, such as automatic power off or sleep modes, to help reduce energy consumption. Additionally, choosing printers with eco-friendly printing options, such as double-sided printing and the use of recycled paper, can also contribute to a more sustainable printing practice. 8. Warranty and customer support. Lastly, when purchasing a printer for Mac users, it's important to consider the warranty and customer support offered by the manufacturer. Look for printers that come with a warranty period that suit your needs and ensure that the manufacturer provides reliable customer support in case any issues or technical difficulties arise. Reading customer reviews and feedback can provide valuable insight into the quality of customer support offered by different printer brands. In summary, choosing a printer for Mac users involves considering compatibility, key features, printer software, cost of consumables, brand reputation, user reviews, and ongoing support. Remember to regularly update the printer drivers and Mac operating system to maintain optimal compatibility and performance. 9. Final thoughts. In today's digital world, finding a printer that is compatible with Mac systems is crucial for users who rely on printing documents and photos. Additionally, factors like printer software, cost of consumables, brand reputation, user reviews, environmental impact, warranty,